Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Power Breakfast. I'm Pavitra Parekh. Those are the top headlines that we're looking at, and it is the start of a brand new week. So we clearly have lots to, talk about to catch up on the weekend action. But let's start up with, what's going on in the global markets. We are getting a pretty mixed start as far as Asian markets go. A lot of them have recovered actually. You have Hang Seng, which is down around 0.4%, but the Taiwanese markets has, they've come back a little bit, so around 0.2% higher there. The Nikkei is absolutely flat right now, just a minor uptick over there. You also have Shanghai and Kospi, which are opening with some gains. So Shanghai is up around 0.4%, Kospi seeing gains of around 0.2%. So pretty mixed as far as Asia goes. But let's bring the SGX Nifty up for you, because that is indicating a bit of a positive start for our own markets. 36 points higher is what we have for ourselves on the SGX Nifty. So maybe a start in the green, but let's see how the session pans out. Speaking of global markets, in the US, the Wall Street also ended Friday's session as well as the week gone by on quite a mixed note. So the Dow closed with a 129-point gain on Friday. The S&P 500 finished around 0.3% lower, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq was also down around 0.5%. But for the week, the Dow ended with a little bit of a cut, so it was down 0.1%. It's actually the third negative week that we've seen for Dow in a row. The S&P 500 shed around 0.3%. This is for the week, and the Nasdaq also closed the week around 0.5% higher. So that is the one which did relatively better. That's what's happening across the global markets. But staying with Wall Street, some more news that we have to bring you. Another tech company that has followed Twitter's suit now is Meta. So the company is rolling out a new paid verification subscription service for Instagram as well as for Facebook users. So this is for $11.99 a month on the web and $14.99 a month on the iOS. The users on Meta's Instagram and Facebook platforms will now be able to submit their government ID and get verified, so that is something important that we're tracking. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg also wrote in a post that the feature was about increasing authenticity and security across services. And this, of course, like I pointed out, follows what Twitter came out with earlier as well. But on that note now, let's also listen in to some views coming in on the